Alright, so if you know the game Too Many Birds, it's a game about basically you take care of these like cute little birds. You know that it's got discontinued, and I have wanted to play it for a while, but I have found a tutorial. Well, not a tutorial. I found a way you can play it. So as you can see, if I go into the Play Store and type in Too Many Birds and click it, as you can see, it's not available anymore, which I was really bummed out because I really wanted to download it. But I have found a way you can get it. So go into the Google Chrome, then type Too Many Birds game download, then click the CNET version. It should be this. Wait, go back. It should be this version, the download.cnet.com. Click it, then wait for it to turn green. Click download now. Click the X, then click free APK download. It'll say your download is started. Now you might get this message. Now this is not a virus. Trust me, this is not a virus. I have put this phone through some type of Northern VPN virus. It is not detected this as a virus. So click download again. Click open. As you can see, then click install. It's installing. Alright, you should get this message, then click open. And as you can see, we have got the game. And as you can see, we're only the free version, not the full version. But it basically works like the full version. You click play. And as you can see, it's basically the whole game. Like as you can see, there's nothing wrong with it. It works like everything. And yes, I am a big Too Many Birds fan, so you will be seeing some videos of me like unlocking things and some tutorials on this video. So yeah, if you want to download Too Many Birds, as you can see, I have just given you the tutorial. So another thing is, you might get like a malicious file message. No, it's not a malicious file. It's basically because your Android device has some type of protection, has some type of like filter where it will tell you it's a malicious file, but it's actually not a malicious file because of the coding and overriding. So it's not actually a malicious file because I have kept this game for a month and I've put it through a whole virus checker and it has not detected any viruses. Because since it's only a game, you're not putting any credit card information or anything. It is a free to play game. So yeah, that's how you get Too Many Birds on the Play Store. That's how you still download Too Many Birds even after it's been discontinued. So I'll see you guys later.